That is songs like at every family barbecue. Like, you don't have a family barbecue unless this song is playing. Your barbecue is deleted. I'm not going. I'm packing up my bags. I'm going home. Anyway, welcome. Yes, I am doing a face mask right now. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, thumbnail photo. Ooh, oh, I look cute. Don't y'all hate? Okay. Anyway, I'm coming back with another video. This one's a little bit different on my channel. I'm doing a bad to baddie type video, an affordable one. I'm going to, I know some of y'all like, take the mask off. You know what? For y'all, I'll take it off for y'all because I know some of y'all is having a struggle listening to me, but it's okay. I still love you. I'm doing a bad to baddie video. I am going to be doing, everything's going to be very affordable, even to the hair that I'm going to be using. I am so appreciative to Lavy hair reached out to your girl. We're doing a little collab, and they actually sent me a Brazilian straight wave, no, Brazilian wave straight wig. Anyway, 360 Brazilian, I'm gonna get it right, hold on. They sent me a 360 lace Brazilian straight wig. Y'all been seeing me wear it in some of my vlogs. Y'all been seeing me wear it on some of my Instagram. I've been testing it out for a little bit, and now I'm ready to do this video, do a full review and a makeup, affordable makeup, because some of y'all have been asking me, you know, what type of makeup do I use. So let's just go get in this video. Before we do, I'm gonna show you a clip of how it looks, what it came with, the combs and all that good stuff, and let's get into it. Alright, this is the bag that it came with. I also wanted to mention, make sure you look in the description box where I will have a coupon code where you can get a discount. So yes, this is everything that the wig came with. And I'm about to show you the lace and everything. This is a 360 lace wig, Brazilian straight, and I got it in 22 inches. It came with 4 combs. I did remove the 3 combs right there, and I left the 1 comb in the back. The hair was very soft, and I did not bleach my knots. I will show you later on in the video what I did with this lace to make it look more natural. And I did order 180 density, but it did not feel like 180 density to me. It felt more like 130. So I just wanted to let y'all know that it just felt a little bit thinner than I was expecting, but the hair was definitely soft. Alright y'all, this is me trying it on for the very first time. As y'all can see, I'm definitely loving it. It's really nice. When I did comb it, there was like maybe 1 strand or 2 strands, well, I'll show you, that came out. So there really wasn't any shedding, which was good. And I haven't really experienced too much shedding. That's me trying to show you the 2 strands. So I haven't really experienced too much shedding, which I really like for a wig, and that's after I cut the lace and everything. So I'm first going to use this mattifying moisturizer, a Cure. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. Boom. I'm going to do a little bit. I don't think this is going to be more of a tutorial because, to be honest, y'all know I'm not a makeup guru, because I know, you know, the makeup beauty world is, they're pretty, you know, rough, tough on each other. So I don't want to be in that world, because I know I don't know what I'm doing. I know that. So before you go gangsta on me in the comments, yeah, I know I don't know what I'm doing. I know that. But anyway, it still works though. My little crazy method still works. I think I'm gonna start with first putting the wig down. This is kind of like my first time attempting to do that skin, I think they call it the skin method, where you glue it down, the cap down, and then you glue the cap down, and yeah. But anyway, for y'all who know wigs, y'all kind of know what I'm talking about. Right now, as you can tell, that this is not my color whatsoever. And the other cap is way too dark for my skin complexion. So what I'm about to do is put some foundation around here right here, and to, you know, match my skin color. Hold on. I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay. These ones, I love Maybelline's foundation. It's bomb.com. Everything I've used from Maybelline to mascara, I'm a very big Maybelline type of girl. So this is the foundation. It's probably not gonna be too much of my color because I need to get a summer color, and we just hit summer. This is my winter shade, but we're gonna make it work, boo. And this is also my winter shade as well, so I need to go back to Target and get my colors, but whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna use the 24-hour Stay over here. I really like this one. I like both of them. They're both really good, so Kenneth asked me to choose it, so I just sprayed a little bit. Here is the hair. It's really nice. Still been holding up really nice. Still really soft. Still doing good for your girl. Still treating her right. And the inside, I never did bleach my knots. I don't bleach my knots. I've tried so many times to bleach knots, yo, and I end up messing up the whole hair. The whole entire hair. So what I do, instead of bleaching my knots, I take some of this foundation, which I've already did to this lace. I've already did it. And I think I'm just going to retouch a couple of the places. But all I do is do a little bit on the brush. Just a little bit. And I just kind of dab a little bit, just like this. I do that. I got it all spread around, all that good stuff, how I want it to be spread around, everything good. I take my Got To Be glued spray, blasting free spray, and then I just kind of lightly go right over top of it, and that holds it in just lightly, because you don't want this will make your hair crunchy, so you don't want to do a lot of it. And then you just let it dry. I'm going to get my blow dryer out. Alright. Now it is on my head how I want it to be. And so, yeah. That's how it looks right on. I didn't do any plucking, too much plucking of the hair. I really didn't. I try to keep this as how much it comes out, you know, looking. I'm not really good at the customizing. Some girls know how to slay, make it customized, all that good stuff. So now I am going to glue down the wig all around. I'll look in the mirror over here so I can see what I'm doing. Zoom in, because you know what, your girl don't know what she's doing now. Yeah, so I am using okay, not that close. Now you all in my grill. Okay, anyway. Anyway, now we're going to set it where it's supposed to go. Okay, so some people start from ear to ear. I kind of start in the middle and then I work my way around. Anyway, I'm done. Okay, we're going to take these clips off real quick. Yo, I was scavenging the house for some clips, y'all. I couldn't find them nowhere. nowhere. I was like, I thought I bought a pack the other day. No, I guess I didn't. Anyway. Alright, y'all, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using Maybelline, as y'all know. Maybelline, reach down. Holla at your girl. Anyway, I'm going to be using Total Temptation. I absolutely love, people are sleeping on this eyebrow pencil. It is the best eyebrow, so affordable. I think it was like $5. I will have a link in the description box for everything that I purchased. That I'll be using, if I can find it. The way it looks at the end, if it'll come in focus. I love how, you see how it has like a little slant and a point, so you never really have to sharpen it. It's awesome. Alright, y'all, I filled in the eyebrows. Now I am going to be using my NYX HD concealer, and I have it in CW08. I love this concealer. It is bomb, y'all. It is so bomb. It's my favorite concealer. And I just go right underneath it. I probably should did this off camera, which it looks like I'm going to. That's pretty much it for my eyebrows. That's pretty much, this one is giving me issues. Trying to fix that eyebrow right there, but you know what? Eyebrows, y'all not coming for me today, okay? And I'm going to be using Maybelline. I tell you, I'm not sponsored by them, but if they want to holler at your girl. But anyway, no. I'm going to be using a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is my favorite foundation. This one, I already know this one's going to be too light for me because, as I said before, this is my winter shade. And yo, it was like 100 and something degrees the other day. So I already know. I don't know if I kind of want to, I really want to use, the only winter shade summer shade I have is, okay, the only summer shade that I have right now is my matte Makeup Forever HD. But that would totally ruin the name because this is all supposed to be drugstore products. And this ain't no drugstore product. This is like a $42 foundation. So we're gonna make this work. So don't y'all come for me talking about that's too light. Honey, hunty, I know it's too light. But I take that same HD concealer and I put it underneath my eyes, cause y'all know I be tired, yo. Them bags be running. My bags run deep. No, really they do. Okay, we're just gonna put that. I don't do all that contouring stuff. One, I don't know how to do it. That's really all. That's it. Now I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild collection. What it's looking like so far. This one kind of went crazy. I'm trying to make that one a little bit look the same, but Alright, y'all, now it's time for me to put some eyelashes on. And you know what? I'm gonna do this off camera too. Alright, y'all, I don't know where I left off, but I just put my lashes on. I got my eyeliner on. And then I'm coming back with, y'all guessed it, Maybelline. Y'all, I should just call this a Maybelline. Like, for real, like, you know, reaching out Maybelline. So, and there you go. Then I am going to use, I'm still new to the whole highlighter. I'm new to everything, y'all. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to be using this by It's Cosmetic Ombre Radiance Blush. And it's in the Sugar Palm. So I'm just going to use some a bit of the bottom color as my blush. Smile. This is gonna be it of this look. I'm gonna put a lipstick or some sorts, but first we gotta do this hair real quick. Come on now. That's dried. See, dried, and then go. Oh, did that lift a little bit? But it's okay. We're gonna leave that right there. It'll be all right. So this is her. I don't know if I want to do a straight or a curl look. I like really loose waves type of look. I'm very into that bohemian style. Y'all know how I am. I'm very into that type of look. Alright, now it's time for me to slick some of these baby hairs down. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna just put some lipstick on, little lip gloss. Alright, y'all, this is my final look. I just put a little bit of lip gloss on for you. So I hope you guys like this video. I really, guys, hope you guys like this look. Yes, this hair, I'm feeling it, y'all. I'm feeling myself. Don't I look good, y'all? I really look, I know. I'm like, you look conceited today. Just a little. But anyway, I'm really liking this look. You guys see me, I've been wearing it for a little bit on Instagram and all that good stuff. Been trying to, you know, test it out, make sure, you know, is good enough for a review. So you guys look in that description box and go ahead and use that coupon code so you guys can get a discount. This hair, I got it in 22 inches. I got it long, baby, long, but it looks good. So definitely make sure you check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button so you guys can know when my latest videos are posted. And definitely follow me on my different social medias, especially Instagram. Your girl's been going really hard. She really has. She's been doing a lot. She's been doing a lot. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Hey.